Okay, so here is a real life problem, application problem with adding and subtracting fractions. Okay, so let's look at this. A common house spider has 8 eyes. If a spider is looking at you with its 2 front eyes and 3 of its other eyes, what fraction of its eyes are looking at you? So the first thing I need to figure out is what do I need to do to be able to answer this problem? And I get that from right from the problem itself. I need to write a fraction showing the total number of eyes looking at me. So let's look at this. Okay, so a house spider has 8 eyes. If it's looking at you with your 2 front eyes, we can say that would be 2 out of 8 eyes looking at me. So it's going to be these two right here, these gorgeous brown black eyes, right? So 2 out of 8 eyes are looking at me. So I'm going to go ahead and write 2 out of 8. Okay, and 3 of its other eyes. Okay, so if I look over at the other set of eyes, so it's going to be any other 3. It could be, I'm not going to look at that one. I'm going to look at, just circle any 3 eyes. So I have 1, 2, 3. All right, so plus 3/8. Okay. So it wants to know, so I have 2/8 plus 3/8 of my total eyes looking at me. It wants to know what fraction of eyes are looking at me. So all I'm going to do is add 2 plus 3. So it equals 2 plus 3. And the denominator stays the same. So I have a total of 5/8 of the eyes looking at me. Simplify, that is actually already simplified. So my answer is 5/8. All right, go ahead and try this one on your own. Pause the video and resume once you give it a shot. All right, so welcome back. So the problem is Ishan ate two slices of pizza. Omar ate 3 slices. If there were initially 8 slices, what fraction of the pizza is remaining? So this is a 2-step problem. Okay, so it's going to require me to both do addition and subtraction of fractions. So the first thing I'm going to start off with, there's a couple ways you can do it. I'm just going to see first, I'm going to see how many pieces of slices were 8 altogether. So if Ishan, we're going to say Ishan, we're going to use red for Ishan, or black, sorry. Ishan ate 2/8 of the pie. So this is 2/8 was eaten by Ishan. And then Omar came and ate an additional 3/8 of the pie. I'm going to go with different colors. It's almost the same. 1/3, 1/8, 2/8, 3/8. Okay, so Omar ate 3/8 of the pie. What fraction of the pie? What fraction of the pizza is remaining? So before I figure out how much of the pizza is remaining, I need to see how much is 8 altogether. So I have 2/8 plus 3/8, and that's going to get me 5/8. Okay, but I'm not done yet. That's just how much I ate. The question wants to know how much of the right a fraction of the pizza remaining. So that's going to be my total number of slices, which was 8, take away from what we ate. So I had 8 slices, which would be represented by 1 whole, 8/8, minus 5/8 equals 3/8. Okay, so the fraction 3/8. So I could say my piece remaining would be 3/8 of the pizza is 5/8. 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 3/8 of remaining. All right, so that concludes today's lesson. I know it was a lot thrown at you guys. Just do the best you can. If you can take away, hopefully you can. Like I said, this is all review. But hopefully, if your fractions aren't just your thing, hopefully you're able to take at least one part of this away home with you today. Whether it be adding fractions with like denominators or the whole 9 yards. The whole 10 yards, sorry. I hope this went well for you guys. Go ahead and do the independent practice, submit it, and I don't have an exit. Today is such a long day. I did not do an exit ticket for you, and I did not do a Kahoot for you on this day. I will in the future, the rest of the week, probably at least tomorrow and Thursday. You're more than likely going to see a Kahoot game, and I hope today was okay, and see you guys again tomorrow.